Hi guys, I'm Tim Queen. Welcome back to my channel. And today I'm going to talk about how to get customers on YouTube. So if you have a YouTube channel or you are thinking about starting one and you want to learn how to use your YouTube channel to grow customers for your business, this video is just for you. So keep on watching. Now, if you want to start a YouTube channel, you have to make sure that you get your content strategy right, because all the broad topics are already taken care of. So the best way how you can create a YouTube channel is by creating very niche specific videos about questions that your audience is asking themselves. Once you have a question, you can create a video about it, and it makes it much more likely that people will watch it. So I recommend 3 tools that you can use to find out what people are searching for. The first one is called SEMRush. And that's an incredible tool, especially if you're doing blogging and content marketing. It helps you to find out what are the topics that people are searching for on Google, on different platforms, shows you exactly what is the search volume for each of the questions, and it tells you how many people are searching for it, how many people are clicking for it on Google. So that's a great tool. The second one is called Answer the Public. This is a collection of what people are asking specifically for it. So you can throw in some generic keyword, and Answer the Public will find you all the questions from all the different sources, like what are people searching for on Quora, what are people searching for on YouTube, on LinkedIn, on Google, and it will compile them in an easy to digestible form, like grouped by question type, how, what, where, and it can go broken down further, and you can click down in more detail and you get way more in-depth answers. And the third tool that I recommend is called CubeBuddy. And this specifically works really well for what people are searching for on YouTube. You can see exactly how many people are searching for it on YouTube and how much the competition is, how many videos are there on YouTube if you throw in this keyword. And it's incredibly powerful because you can select just the right keywords which have a high search volume but have a low amount of competition. Very few people have created videos about this. So when you're creating a video and there is only 9 other ones, it's almost guaranteed that your video will show up on page 1, and that's how you can grow your YouTube channel with search traffic. Now, once you have your topic for your YouTube video, something that a potential customer might search for, you have to create a video about it. Make sure that you mention the keyword that you just found via SEMRush, Answer the Public, or CubeBuddy a couple of times in your video in different variations. You can also use the same technique to find clients on YouTube, and this makes sure that when you mention it a couple of times, YouTube has an algorithm which will automatically transcribe your videos. So if you are mentioning a certain keyword, such as finding clients for your coaching business or finding customers for your marketing business, that YouTube will understand that those keywords are mentioned a couple of times, and it will make it more relevant for the audience when they're searching for it. Answer the question that you just gave in the best possible way. So the next step is that you have to create a content upgrade. Now, what do I mean by content upgrade? You have the question, you answer the question in the video, and then you're creating a content upgrade for people who want to know more, who want to know something in more depth. And that can be quite easy. Let's say there's 5 steps to your solution. So you might pick out one of the aspects which is most desirable to a potential customer, and you might create something like a cheat sheet that they can print out, or a worksheet, or an ebook. It doesn't have to be long. It can be just 1 page long, but you are creating this and will create additional value. And I'm going to show you how to do this right here. Check out the first comment in this video if you want to get my exact step-by-step system, how you can create YouTube videos efficiently, how you find all the different links that I'm using, and a step-by-step guide how to find the right keywords on SEMRush, Answer the Public, and on CubeBuddy with screenshots. I put together a guide that you can download. Check out the link in the first description as an example how you can do that in your business as well. Now, here's the important part, and I should have mentioned that like a little bit earlier. You have to promote your content upgrade in your video. Basically, have your content upgrade ready before you shoot your video, so you can actually tell them what your content upgrade is all about and what's inside, so you can tell people what they can expect, so your download is ready when the video goes live. And then we have to take your video and we have to optimize it for YouTube SEO. We take your keyword and we put it in the title. We put your keyword in the YouTube description. We make sure that we have keywords. You have tags in YouTube where you can add up to 500 characters of additional keywords, and you put in different variation of your keywords. So if someone is searching for how to get customers customers on YouTube. Someone else might say how to find customers, how to get clients, how to find coaching clients, how to find marketing clients, how to find customers from a marketing business. So you have to make sure that you're including a different variation of your keyword in the text section. This will make sure and help YouTube to better understand what your video is all about. So if someone is searching for a variation of it, YouTube will still be able to understand, oh yes, this video might be right because it has a lot of overlapping topics. Then you upload your video, and the last step that I want you to take is you should promote your YouTube video on all the platforms that are available to you. Especially if you're a new YouTuber, it's really important to give your video an initial engagement boost. Share it with people who are looking for new customers. In my example, I'm going to share this on my LinkedIn channel, I'm going to share this on my Twitter account, on my Facebook page. I'm going to share this video with my email newsletter subscribers because I know they are really interested in getting more customers, making more money on different platforms. So when they are watching it and they are looking at a certain percentage of the video, and like we are looking, ideally they should be watching at least 50% on average. This helps YouTube to understand who are the people who are most interested in watching this. So if I can already send people I know are interested in this and they're watching the video for the most part 50% or more, this tells YouTube a lot of data points because YouTube knows what all of them are watching. So if all of my audience members are watching similar videos, this makes it much more likely that when someone else is creating a YouTube video about a similar topic, that my video might be suggested to them. We have to make sure that YouTube has enough data to understand your video. Now, keywords are a good start, but it's also important to get the right people to watch it. So if you can give your video an initial boost, it makes it much more likely that it will show up higher in search results. Now, let me know in the comments what you think about how to get customers on YouTube. Do you have a specific question, how to create better YouTube videos or how to optimize your YouTube videos? Let me know below. Give this video likes, and if you want to get more videos on how to get more customers on different social media platforms such as YouTube and LinkedIn, make sure that you hit subscribe and turn the notification bell on, and I see you in the next video. Also, check out those videos over here and over here for more YouTube videos and how to create better content on YouTube.